But there are so many testimonies, so many people na natulungan na po ng barley. So many talaga. Kaya naman po, this is best for people na may cancer, yung mga meron pong tumor formation, yung mga may prostate cancer, yung mga meron pong diabetes, maganda po ang barley. Yung mga may high blood or yung mga may kidney disease, maganda po ang barley. Meron kang psoriasis, anemia, asthma, hepatitis, uminom ka ng barley, makakatulong yan sa'yo. Meron kang cervical cancer, gallstone, bronchitis, cataract, cyst, or baka naman meron kayong pong goiter, maganda po ang barley. As I mentioned earlier, ito po ay very high in fiber. Very high in fiber, kaya po kung constipated po kayo, very good po para sa inyo yung barley. Take it on an empty stomach 30 minutes before your meals, okay? At hindi lang po yan. Kung meron kayong kidney stones, yung mga nagtatanong po, pwede ba yan? Kung kunwari nagtatry mag-baby, yes, because this is very good for those na merong infertility, merong PCOS, may low sperm count. Barley is very good for you. And this is safe po for breastfeeding and pregnant women. In fact, meron po itong folic acid, so maganda po ito for nourishing your baby. Yung nutrients na binibigay sa baby is very good. Legit po ito. This is FDA approved, okay? Yung mga meron pong dysmenorrhea, endometriosis, yung mga may muscular degeneration, maganda po yan. Yung mga may mental tiredness, minsan ko ano ba yung mental tiredness? Siguro yung lagi kang stress, lagi kang pagod. It is also good for you. Yung mga may immune deficiency po, yung mga may vertigo, liver problems, migraine, and other illnesses, you should definitely take barley.